In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Vimeo efficiently and with ease. Whether you're sharing your creativity with the world or simply organizing your video library, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. So, let's dive in and get started right away. First things first, you'll want to access the upload page on Vimeo. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to vimeo.com/upload. This is your starting point for getting your video content onto Vimeo's platform. Once you're on the website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make the process smoother. Upon arriving at the upload page, look towards the top right-hand corner where you'll see a prominent button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll want to select Upload. This action takes you directly to the area where you can manage your video uploads, so it's quite straightforward. Once you're on the upload page, a crucial step is to set the privacy and choose the destination for your video. At the top right section of this page, you will find an option to confirm the privacy settings for the video you are about to upload. Privacy settings are important because they determine who can view your video. You can decide whether you want your video to be public, private, or accessible only to people you choose. Just below that, you'll see drop-down menus that allow you to select the team and/or the destination folder for your video. These settings help keep your projects organized, especially if you're working with a team or managing multiple videos. Now, let's move on to the actual uploading of the video. There are two simple methods you can use. The first is to drag and drop your video file directly onto the upload page. This is a quick and easy way to get your video in place if you have the file ready and waiting on your desktop or in a folder. Alternatively, you can click on the Choose Files button, which will open a window for you to navigate through your computer files and select the specific video you'd like to upload. Once the upload is complete, which may take a few moments depending on the file size and your internet speed, you'll be directed to the Video Settings page. Here, you have the opportunity to customize your video further. You can add a distinctive title that captures attention, write a description providing context or details about the video, include tags to make it easier for viewers to find your content, and adjust privacy options if you didn't do so earlier. By following these steps, you'll have your video uploaded and set up on Vimeo in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy uploading!